This is a digital microscope recently purchased through eBay, which is plugged in, as you can see, and illuminated. But when we look at the hot viewer software, no image is displayed on the screen. There's only one selection for input device, and that is selected. So the software is not producing any image. Quite apart from that, the stand that the microscope mounts on is completely useless. Just look at how the microscope wobbles when you try to adjust it, and it's very hard to adjust the height. See it wobbling just by turning the knob without even moving it. If I try to move it, the whole stand tilts because it's so stiff to move. So it would be impossible to focus, even if the image was appearing on the PC, it would be impossible to focus with this lousy, stiff, wobbly stand.